10 agricultural machines you've probably never seen. Agriculture is constantly shaped by innovations and technological advancements, from small-scale farms that can feed a few families to vast plantations thousands of acres in size. The growth of agriculture is closely tied to the evolution of farming machinery. While certain farm equipment are household names, several lesser-known ones are out there, which also play a crucial role in agriculture. In this video, we'll delve into 10 agricultural machines you've probably never come across. Vitis brassica storage. This cabbage harvester by Van Hook Machine Engineering is designed to harvest cabbages for the fresh market. The machine's two plastic torpedoes lift the cabbages by the outer leaves, while the guide rods remove them from the ground. The leaves of each cabbage are folded over it for protection, and the cabbage is clamped by rubber-covered, cabbage-shaped clip bindings. The clip bindings bring the cabbages toward the leaf removal system, where a unique stainless steel blade cuts the roots and outer leaves with 99% accuracy. The cabbages then end up on a conveyor belt guided by a push roller with soft rubber to the tack-off conveyor. The push roller has an adjustable height and angle for optimal leaf discharge, including removing loose leaves. This cabbage harvester is suitable for all kinds of cabbage and requires a maximum of 3 workers on the field. Manual harvesting with a knife is kept to a minimum, and the cabbages last long due to the gentle and precise way they're harvested. Krishna Netrang Banana Tree Mulcher. Banana plants bear fruit only once in their lifetime, leaving behind a tree that will soon wither away. Most gardeners leave the tree to die naturally, as new offshoots will soon replace it. But for commercial farmers, there's no point in waiting that long and wasting the time. Instead, they cut and clear off the plant to free the land for new planting procedures. To aid the swift and easy removal of harvested banana trees, the Krishna Netrang Company designed the Banana Mulcher. With a shredding capacity of over 2,000 kilograms per hour, this ingenious machine simplifies the labor-intensive task of cutting and disposing of banana plants. Felix Z Apple Harvester. One specialized farm machine you probably haven't seen yet is the apple harvester. Apple harvesters are specialized machines for collecting fruits from orchard, and the Felix Z by Remchuk is the prime example of one. With a minimum power output of 80 horsepower, a work capacity ranging from 0.2 to 0.4 hectares per hour, and a working speed of 0.5 to 1 kilometer per hour, this machine will surprise you with its high harvesting efficiency and fruit quality. The Felix Z Apple Harvester utilizes a vertical shaker system and an effective clearing unit, which guarantees minimal fruit wastage during harvest. The machine is optimal for trees up to 3.5 meters tall and is designed to be delicate for young trees. Perhaps its one limitation is that the orchards need to have an espalier structure adapted for mechanical harvesting. Iseki rice transplanters. Rice transplanting has been a process that has been practiced since time immemorial to control weeds and encourage the even growth of rice plants. Unfortunately, transplanting rice seedlings requires a lot of time and effort, but not anymore. Introducing Iseki's PC and PRJ series rice transplanter. These machines eliminate the need to transplant rice manually, reducing manpower used in the farm. With 4 to 6 and 6 to 8 planting row models respectively, and a 24.5 horsepower diesel engine, these machines are perfect for large-scale farmers. The rice transplanters are equipped with an edge planting switch, a DX rotor, a DX shift, an F model, and a pendulum sensor that controls the horizontal position and angle between the planter soil. Hortec Hoover Crab. Hortec Horticulture Technology is a company dedicated to producing eco-friendly harvesters for head and leaf vegetables like arugula and lettuce. One of their most unique machines is the Hoover Crab. This harvester uses vacuum technology to suck up crop residues and leaves that require further processing. unlike other head and leaf vegetable harvesters, which use a conveyor belt harvesting system to collect the plant parts. The cutting bar can shift to either side of the machine. The driving seat is designed to be as forward as possible and has 4 steering wheels for full control of the cutting bar. The vacuumed residues are gathered in an open bin, which can be lifted around 2 meters high so the produce can be directly unloaded into a trailer. Onion Harvester Rider 2. Harvesting onions large scale has never been easier than with Univerco's Onion Harvester Rider 2. With 2 40-inch wide pickers and roller topper tables, this machine has a stunning harvest capacity of up to 70 tons per hour. Univerco's Rider 2 can work in rainy or dry conditions, cutting up to 95% of all onion tops. It is also unaffected by weeds on the field and can handle up to 3 onion beds at once. The machine has an intuitive control panel from which the operator can adjust the loading conveyor speed and folding, as well as the time the onions spend on the topper table. It is a remarkable and efficient machine. Rotodiron RX 370. Unlike other rototillers, Rotodiron RX 370, like other machines in this series, uses 108 special patented blades that rotate opposite the moving power unit. This heavy-range stone barrier is multi-purpose. It can till the soil, screen and bury rock and debris, and leave behind a significant layer of fine soil. It also levels, mixes, and rolls the soil surface, grading and compacting it into a flawless seedbed. The stone barrier can be used directly on old ground or unpacked earth. It has an oversized rotor which overturns the ground, a height-adjustable blade which levels it, and a metal mesh roller which creates a perfect finish for the terrain. Powered by a minimum required power of 128 horsepower and weighing 2,499 kilograms, the stone barrier is any farmer's choice for graded and tilled soil ready for planting. Kodoglo Nutmeg 280 ED Walnut Peeling Machine. Agricultural innovations are not just limited to planting and harvesting, they also hold a critical position in processing. Kodoglo Nut Equipment Company, a Turkey-based manufacturer focusing primarily on nut equipment, is proof of this. The company's about 50 years of experience are properly displayed in one of its finest works, the Nutmeg 280 ED Walnut Peeling Machine. With a capacity of 150 to 190 kilograms of walnuts, a peeling time of 2 to 8 minutes, and a power requirement of 380 volts, this machine can peel walnuts at a rate of 2,000 kilograms per hour. The machine is equipped with steel grinders, precise speed control, and a sorting cable for enhanced efficiency and productivity. It also has an angled bowl for increased peeling surface and pressure, as well as an internal mixer to facilitate the peeling process. JP1 Planter. Small, precise, and easy to use, the JP1 planter by Pterodonis is perfect for any gardener with up to 2,000 square meters of sow daily. It is designed to plant small grains or seeds. This single-row handheld seeder is a great reminder that agricultural innovations don't necessarily have to be heavy machinery. The JP1 planter is fully manual. It is powered by the handler and uses simplified hopper removal systems to sow seeds. Its handle slides to the left or right, so the user doesn't have to walk over the row when sowing. It has an adjustable spacing system using a series of drive chain gears. The user can adjust the planting depth by loosening or tightening a bolt on the plow assembly. Modifying the angle of the soil cover plate can alter the amount of soil covering the seeds. Wall-Yi. Robotics is a relatively recent development in agricultural technology, and different farming applications are discovered every year. There are robots in soil monitoring, greenhouse management, seeding, precision farming, etc. It's only logical that there's one in viticulture too. Meet Wall-Yi, the four-wheeled, two-armed prototype developed by Christophe Malot to provide an alternative for vineyards struggling to meet their labor needs. Scarce labor aside, vineyard owners also have to factor in training novice pruners, among other things. Using a robot eliminates the uncertainty of manual labor and increases the productivity and efficiency. Huayi is designed to prune and desucker grape plants, as well as monitor and record their health. The robot is equipped with 6 cameras, tracking technology, AI, GPS, and even a gyroscope to increase its work efficiency. The advancement of agricultural technology is like a war fought on many fronts. Not all victories would be well known or widely recognized. There are a lot of new technologies, specialized equipment, or unique solutions that are out of sight of the average person. But in this channel, we give them the recognition they deserve. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more content about the amazing world of agricultural machines. Till next time.